Have you ever tried the Tamil Nadu style Kunukku? With the adai dosha batter, we can make Kunuku like this. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We need half cup of idli rice, 1/4 cup of chana dal, 1/4 cup of urd dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal, 1/4 cup of moong dal. All mixed together, wash 3 times and fill with water. 10 pieces of dry red chilies and soak it for 3 hours. Drain all the water. Add the mix to the blender. Half teaspoon of asafoetida, few ginger, 2 tablespoons of salt, a very little bit of water, and blend it to a rough paste like this consistency. Onto the batter, add half cup of chopped onions, few cilantros, 5 pieces of chopped green chilies, half cup of coconut, and combine well. Heat some oil. Dip your hand in water so it won't stick to your hand. Make small balls like this. Fry in hot oil. Gently flip in between. When it's dark, rich brown in color, drain all the oil and remove it. And you can enjoy beautiful snack. The Kunuku we made, it's ready. Now you have to enjoy and eat. Very crispy outside, soft inside, very tasty snack. Don't miss out. Do give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. Recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure